Do you have any information like order or customer IDs, vehicle license numbers, serial numbers, and invoice numbers that needs to be automatically filled into Zendesk ticket fields? If your customer service agents are manually copying and pasting these into tickets, the Ticket Parser can completely automate that process. It will help you identify and extract specific patterns from a ticket or its attachments, and then store that information in custom ticket fields. No more worrying about agent error and inaccurate data. Now, let's get started with the installation. First, visit the Zendesk Marketplace using the link below. Click the Install button on the right side of the page. Then, choose the Zendesk instance you want to install the app on. You'll be redirected to your Zendesk admin space, so make sure you have admin rights to continue. You also have the option to rename the app. Aside from that, you can also choose to enable role or group restrictions based on your needs. Once you're ready, click Install to complete the process. After installation, go to your agent workspace. Click on the icon with 4 squares at the top right corner, then select Support. In the Support workspace, look for the Ticket Parser app on the left side. If you have many apps, it might be hidden under the 3 dots in the bottom left corner. Back in the app, you will log into your knots.io account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you're already a Knots customer, simply log in. Once you're all set up, it's time to create parsing triggers. Start by clicking on New Trigger in the app. Name your trigger and select the source for the information you want to extract, such as ticket.title for the ticket subject or ticket.description for the ticket body. For analytics and to make it easier to see that the trigger ran, add a tag for triggering. Then, choose Text Pattern Search for the search type. Depending on the information you're going to parse, you can also choose User Search by Email Address if you're looking for an email address. You can also select Date Value Extraction if you're looking to parse a date from the text. Enter a regular expression pattern of the data that you'd like to parse. In this case, I wanted to get an 8-digit number that starts with 2500. Then, once I have that 8-digit number, I wanted to replace 2500 with ABCD. You'll see later how we do that. You can enter a test text in the Test String to Check Pattern text box to confirm that your regex pattern works. The result parsed will show below the text box. Next, select the Custom Ticket field where you want to store the extracted information and add a tag for when the pattern is found. You can also add a tag when the pattern is not found. The Search For field will look for the text you enter in the result parsed from your regular expression pattern. I mentioned earlier that I wanted to replace 2500 with ABCD, so I'll input here 2500. Then, in the Replace with Text field, I'll enter ABCD, so the parsed result should now be starting with ABCD and the last 4 digits of the number parsed. This is just an additional functionality of the app. You can skip setting this up if you don't need to search and replace anything. Aside from that, you can also enable multi-results if you have many results from the text in the field. You can also merge tickets that have similar patterns found. If you're unfamiliar with regex, you can use helpful websites like regex101.com or contact us for support. When you're happy with your configuration, save it and activate the trigger. And that's it! You've now successfully installed and set up the Ticket Parser app. With this app, you can easily automate tasks and ensure the necessary information is automatically filled into your tickets, saving you time and reducing manual errors. For more help or if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@knots.io.